Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of pasta and learn how to make the classic and delectable fettuccine alfredo. So, let's get started! First, let's talk about the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of fettuccine, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's move on to the steps. 1. Boil the fettuccine according to the package instructions. 2. While the pasta is cooking, melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. 3. Once the butter is melted, add the heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. 4. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Drain the fettuccine and add it to the skillet, tossing it with the sauce until it's evenly coated. 6. Sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese over the fettuccine and toss again until the cheese is melted and the pasta is coated. And there you have it! A delicious and easy to make fettuccine alfredo. Now, let's talk about some tips to make this dish even more amazing. 1. Use fresh pasta. Fresh fettuccine will give your dish a more authentic taste and texture. 2. Use quality ingredients. High-quality heavy cream, butter, and Parmesan cheese will make a world of difference in the final product. 3. Don't overcook the pasta. Overcooked pasta will be mushy and not hold up well in the sauce. 4. Serve it immediately. Fettuccine alfredo is best enjoyed fresh out of the pan. And there you have it, folks! A mouth-watering fettuccine alfredo recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media and tag us in your posts. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, good food brings people together. Until next time, happy cooking!